Hello and welcome to Learning Journal. At Learning Journal, we committed ourselves to create self-paced, free foundation training for beginners. And for that mission, we are starting a new series on modern web technologies. Web technology and the way we are using them has dramatically evolved over the years. We have seen a drastic transformation in the web application and the technology that we use in modern applications. The architecture is changing and the workload is shifting from server-side to client-side. We have seen a shift from browsers to mobile-first designs and now seeing greatest ever focus on user experience. If you try to build a list of top 10 most talked web technologies of today, you might end up with the following list: static web designs, responsive design, single-page applications, progressive web applications, Google AMP, push notifications, motion UI, chatbots and voice UI, IoTs, virtual reality and augmented reality. While everyone talks about these things, what are the core and founding technologies behind all of these? If you are a beginner, where should you start? Is there an order for beginners? Let us try to list down the basic minimum founding technologies for today's web developers. The list is in the order that we recommend for our learners. Core concept and jargons, HTML5, CS3 and preprocessor, Bootstrap and responsive design, JavaScript or TypeScript, Node.js and Express, Angular and React, RDBMS and SQL, NoSQL databases, cloud services and infrastructure, GitHub and working in teams. Does it look like a long list? Well, this is the bare minimum foundation. If you're starting today, you might take more than a year to develop right skills in these technologies. At Learning Journal, we are developing excellent content to cover both the lists and cut down the required time to develop these skills. So do not hold on your success and start today. Thank you for watching Learning Journal. Keep learning and keep growing.